Now, if you have clicked into this video, you are probably wondering, is this really real? Yes. I know you were wondering, how can I watch a 30-second video and then I'll be paid? I was also shocked until I dived into this website and I was literally paid $500 at the end of this week. So guys, please stay tuned and stay until you finish the video if you want to benefit from this website. Hey. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my first episode of How to Make Money. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo. First of all, what inspired me to make this kind of video is because 6 months ago I was figuring out of ways I could earn money without working so hard, without having to go to work. So this is a reason as to why I have decided to share my fruits with you guys, such that we can all get some money to spoil ourselves. This journey of mine has inspired me to share with you my story of how I made $500 in 1 week. Guys, I was able to pay myself tuition. I was able to pay myself rent, for myself hostel fee. I was able to shop for myself clothes. I was able to shop some nice things in my closet. As I speak right now, my closet looks so beautiful and my bedroom looks mwah. It looks so wow. So I'm going to share with you my secret, and it's just one like this. I know you're going to be like, this can't be true, but you are gonna try it out and you are going to testify. Now, before I go any further, just make sure you subscribe and like my video, subscribe to my channel, such that when I get any other more hacks or any other methods of how to earn money, you can easily access my videos. So now let's dive into it. I want you to listen carefully until the end. Step by step, you'll be able to know how you are going to get the best out of this. So number one, I want you to have a phone or a laptop. You don't have to exaggerate, oh my god, I don't have a laptop. It's not necessary. For as long as you have your phone, it's enough. Your phone is enough. Personally, I used my Android phone to do this. I used my Android phone. I want you to testify to me tomorrow. This website is called paidwork.com. Guys, paidwork.com is a platform that pays people. It has different other varieties other than watching videos, but watching videos pays the most money. And this platform has been used for quite a lot of times, and people's reviews are really good about it. And this one is where you are paid depending on points, and the points turn into the cash. So this is how I did it. First of all, I went to Google and I typed in paidwork.com, but you don't need to do that. Just simply go and check inside my description box. You are going to find the link down there, and then you're going to follow the procedures. First of all, you need to have a password in your head. You need to register like casual details. You need to have a password, and then they will send you mail to verify your account. So simply dive into your email account. Yes. Check through and see. You're going to see a message that has been sent to you to verify your account. Then you are going to verify. After verifying, your account is going to be set up. So after doing that, you're going to go to that website and then check on the list. There is going to be menu. Type on menu. You're going to be seeing the option of watch videos. There are other many ways of how you can earn money there, but I am focusing on the 30-second video because those are that is the simplest way you can earn money in just seconds. And as the college students, it is much easier because you have all the time in college. You don't need to sit and watch the video for a long time or long while. No, you can even put it there. It continues running as you're studying. It continues running as you're working. First of all, the videos are even funny. The videos are not so boring. Cartoons and people who love such stuff. I'm not kind of that, but because of money, I really did. And if you're a kind of person who is going to do it like on a daily basis, just in a day, you're going to earn as many points as possible. I'm not going to calculate for you the points you can get in a day, but just know you can get around 480 points in a day, depending on how you are consistently watching. There are some people who are busy, who can't be there to watch, who have different things to do. But me, what I did, I sat and I used it every day. Like I did it like for 24 hours because I think my phone used to go like, I left my phone to play as many times as it could in a day. Like I would even sometimes leave my phone on and sleep with my phone on. What you need to do is charge your phone. Like charge your phone, let you have enough battery, and then after doing that, leave the rest to the app. And then the good thing about this app, this website, you can cash out your money using PayPal or using cash or gift cards, and there are other many ways that I'm not going to mention here, but you can check them out when you reach out on the website. So, and you can withdraw when you reach 10 US dollars. That is the best part of it, and it's gonna be easy. In a week, you're going to be earning, if you're going to be consistent like how I did, you're going to find yourself getting 500 US dollars. You can even get more than me, because at some point I went off track because I was kind of busy, work and all that. But if you are a college student, you're in class, or you are going for long trips, put on your phone. Instead of watching videos that are going to get you money, watch a video that is going to earn you money and be able to purchase yourself a better place. Now look at me right now. I'm just 20 years and I have my apartment and I have beautiful things that I have purchased for myself that I'll probably show you in my next video. I don't know. So guys, after you have done that, just simply wait for your money. So if you feel that this video has helped you a little, please subscribe to this channel, like my video, and then also share it to some college students who are out there looking for ways of how to earn money, who are looking for ways to how to pay their rental hostels, or how to get themselves some good outfits, or some nice stuff, or some nice hair, some nice wigs. Guys, see you later. I love you. Goodbye.